So you're looking for an active community out in Las Vegas? That's awesome. I got something just for you today. It's called Trilogy out in Summerlin. It's built by Shea Homes, and today's model is the Luster. It's coming up for you right after this intro. Hey residents, welcome back to the channel. My name is MJ. I'm a realtor out here in Las Vegas, Nevada with the Berkshire Hathaway brand. And here on this channel, we tour all around the Las Vegas Valley looking at builder model homes as well as existing inventory to make your next shopping experience for your next home all the more easy. If this is the first time we've met on this channel, thank you so much for stopping by and checking it out. I appreciate it. If you do like this type of content, you're interested in becoming a resident of Las Vegas Home Tours, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single tour when I upload on Fridays. And on today's model tour, we're headed back out to Summerlin. We're going to check out the ultra convenient community of Trilogy built by Shea Homes. Today's model is called the Luster. I can't wait to show off the bar that Shea Homes installed in here. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the functionality of this floor plan, but without further ado, let's just get this tour started. Come on. Alrighty residents, welcome back out to the Shea Homes community called Trilogy in Summerlin in Las Vegas, Nevada. Today we are wrapping up this community and we are going to be touring through the Luster. This home does feature 2,915 square feet, featuring 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a den, a potential double loft or an optional 3rd bedroom and 3rd bathroom, a den, and a 2-car garage. As with all their homes in this community, you do get the pavers on the front walkway, as well as the landscaping done in the front for you as well with a drip irrigation system. The HOA is a little bit more expensive, however you do get a lot of features. For this particular model, it is $527 per month, which breaks down to $479 for the Trilogy community and $48 for the Summerlin. I'll be going over a little bit later on what this community does feature. But for now, let's go ahead and head right on inside. As soon as you come inside, you're greeted into this entryway. I love the thistles or the cactus, however you want to look at it. I guess it's artwork. It could be whatever you want it to be. Just to the right here is the 1st bedroom. Right here is a coat closet. That's where your smart center is going to be as well. Then your half bathroom is going to be right here to the left with a pedestal sink as well as the toilet. Like the tile that they put on the wall there. It's a nice touch to the room. Then heading into this 1st bedroom right here. This bedroom is 11'5" by 12'0". It is a little bit smaller than their typical bedrooms. However, it does have its own bathroom just to the left over here. Has a standard sized closet. Throughout this home, you're going to get carpet with the exception of the entryway, the kitchen, the bathrooms, and the laundry room. You're also going to get LED lighting throughout the entire home with Decora rocker switches, with the exception of the garage and the laundry room, which will feature fluorescent lighting. There's this 1st bathroom here. They have it built out with a shower. You will be included with a shower tub combo with a fiberglass surround. However, I do like that shower. It's very, very pretty. I think it'd be really, really nice with 0 threshold installed in there as well. Nice little linen area right here, or if you put in a little library if you'd like. And then up over here is the great room. And the stairway's upstairs right here first though, but coming over to the great room. First, let's check out this bar. This bar is absolutely stunning. I love it. You could do a lot of things with this space. I love how they have it built out as a wet bar with the wine fridge and the cooler. Really, really nice touch. Granite countertop there. Beautiful backsplash with the multicolor. Really, really brilliant. And the centric design of it is really nice as well. I love how it's connected right there to the great room. And then this is more of a galley style. Has the great room, the dining room, and then the kitchen. Not particularly my favorite feature. I would prefer more of a triangle design pattern rather than the line pattern, but it is what it is. I still love that bar area. I think it's fantastic. As far as the dimensions go throughout this area, the living area is 18 foot 8 by 16 foot 2. The dining room is 10 foot 11 by 16 foot 0. And the kitchen is 20 foot 3 by 16 foot 2. Really nice sized kitchen here. I love the decoration that they put in here. Standard, you're going to get either a white or a black 36-inch upper cabinetry. They have a built-in refrigerator here. The double ovens. They decked out this kitchen right here. Country style porcelain sink. I think this is one of their standard granites, however, but even still, it works really nice with the design of the kitchen overall. And I love the stacked upper cabinetry they have that goes all the way to the ceilings. Absolutely gorgeous. As far as the appliance package goes in this kitchen, you're going to get a GE stainless steel appliance package with the dishwasher, the 30-inch gas cooktop, a range, and a microwave. The dishwasher won't be included. You'll get a single basin stainless steel undermount sink. This is an upgraded sink in here. And you'll also get a Moen pull-out faucet. Lovely backsplash. Love the hood fan. Really nice touch. And around the corner here is going to be the entrance to your garage, which is 20 foot 5 by 20 foot 2 and does feature a nice trash storage bin area. Just over here to the left is going to be quote unquote the smart space where they have the washer and dryer. It is going to be a gas hookup. You do get the counter space in there as well as some of the upper cabinetry. Really, really nice touch. The sink is an upgrade, however. Really a diverse room. You could make this into a craft area. You could have a pet space in here. It could be multiple things. Who knows? If I got this house, maybe I would turn that into a YouTube studio. That'd be fun, listening to laundry in the background. Then off the living room here, you're going to have the courtyard there, which is 17 foot 7 by 16 foot 7, really nice size area. And you do get the rolling wall actually, so that's pretty sweet. It's a little bit bigger. And then off the master bedroom here, you do have the slider included as well. This master bedroom is 14 foot 0 by 17 foot 9. Real nice size. I love that dresser there. Love the wood look stuff. Nice linen feel on that wallpaper behind the bed there. Beautiful courtyard too. And then right over here is the master bathroom. I love how they decorated out this master bathroom. We'll get a closer look at the tile work that they did on the wall there. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the dual vanities in here. They do have nice separation, so you have plenty of space on your countertop. It is a dual vanity with the rectangular undermount. The undermount is a beautiful feature. I love that about it. And look at that drop-in tub. Isn't that gorgeous? And then a step up into that walk-in shower. You do get a cultured marble surround with your walk-in shower there. And you'll have cultured marble on the countertop there as well. They do have the standard white cabinetry with the darker hardware, which is an upgrade. Look at this tile work that they did here. Pretty cool. Very unique. There's your walk-in closet. Really nice size walk-in closet at 6 foot 8 by 15 foot 3. Really nice long space. And then the water closet right over here. As I pan back out, check out the dual mirrors as well. A little tough to see, but very nice touch that they have the dual mirrors there. That about does it for the downstairs area. Let's go ahead and head on upstairs. This home does feature two options on the upstairs area. You could get a dual loft design, or you could get the bedroom and bathroom, and then a single loft out here, which is what they have it built out as. You do have the deck either way. However, if you have the dual loft, you will get a sliding on both lofts. This would be a loft here, and then off to the left out there would be the same. How cute is the design of this room with the hanging swing beds? I didn't dare sit on it myself, but I love the look of it. Very, very cool. The optional bedroom here is going to be 13'2" by 16'2". If you get the option of the loft, it is 19'6" by 16'2". The deck right outside is 10'0" by 16'7". And then this loft right over here is 14'9" by 13'8". I had to do a little cut there. It's having a little bit of issues getting the right look on the outside. Quick little look over. We'll adjust the camera and take a look out these windows. That looks north there. That's Red Rock Casino and Lone Mountain in the distance. And we'll pan over to the right, which will head over towards the strip. In this particular community, you do have a clubhouse, which features a pool, pickleball court, bocce ball court, some pool tables, barbecue area. They have common events. Your roof area will be taken care of, as well as the common areas, which feature a dog park in the exterior as well. But that said, that about wraps it up for today's tour. Well, what did you guys think of the Luster floor plan? Do you think this model would be something for you? Let us know in the comments below. Also, what would you do with that bar area? Would you actually leave it a bar? Would you make it a library or a little study? Maybe a little office? Let us know in the comments below what you would do. If you have any questions about this model, feel free to get in contact with me. You can call me, you can text me, you can email me, however you feel comfortable. My information's in the description below. I'd also like to personally thank Darren and Kelly, as well as the entire Shea Homes team, for having us out and touring these models and helping get these videos prepared just for you. But as always, I appreciate you guys stopping by and touring with me today, sticking around till the end of the video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers!
Get me out of here.